Hello, my name is Casey, and welcome to my instructional video where I show you how to find educational resources on Texquest, titled How to Texquest Resources. Our objective is that you will be able to navigate through Texquest to find resources suitable for your classroom. First, to get to Texquest, type in texquest.net into your internet browser search bar. Once on Texquest's website, scroll down until you see three boxes titled Elementary, Middle School, and High School. Click on the option that applies to you. I'm going to click on High School. Once you click on that icon, you will be taken to a resource page. Here are various resources that you can access for your classroom and resources that your students can access. When you click on a resource, you'll be taken to that resource's login page through Texquest. I do not have a login, but after you log in, you will be able to access this resource. Another thing of value for using Texquest is to go to Connect, Program Materials, and to find on the right side of the screen, Texquest General Resource Guide. When you click on that, you will be taken to a new window where all the Texquest resources are listed, the contents that each resource has, and the features that each resource has. This is a very valuable piece of information to have when trying to find a resource that is suitable for your needs in your classroom. Resources listed can either be used by teachers to find lesson plans and contents, as this says right here, lesson plans, or by students to help with learning and research. You can use the filter option on the left side of the screen to help filter results to fit your needs even more. For example, if you want to find access to full textbooks online, here are a few sites or resources that you can use. That is the general how you use Texquest to find educational resources for your classroom. Please remember that in order to use these resources, you will need a Texquest login, either provided by your school or your school district. Thank you for joining me on this instructional video, and have a good day.